Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Cutetitos Taste Buditos. Thank you so much to Basic Fun for gifting these to us. That was so nice of you guys to send these to us. So these actually include 2 BFFs inside, and they're usually best friends. They're miniature ones that coincide with each other. So cake frosting is the flavor, and we're going to unroll and see which ones work together. It says, yum, who's inside? And then it has 2 wraps, 1 big heart. So once you unwrap them, connect them to create a heart, and you could wrap them alone or wrap them together. Super duper cute. Then we have popcorn and butter. I love it. So cake and frosting and popcorn and butter. Let's get it started. Thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So there's 2 different boxes, type of packaging here. So we have like a bag, and then we have a box. So let's open up the box one first. Sure, these are older. I don't really follow these because there's just so many of them. Let's take it out. Ooh, and they're wrapped up, and you don't know what you're going to get. So we have this really cool rainbow one here. That's awesome. And then we have one with sprinkles. Let's open up the sprinkles one first. So cute. Ooh, and we got a unicorn with some hollow sparkles. Super duper cute. I love the sparkles, and they're so soft. And look at these little nostrils, they're hearts. So cute. And this is the 1/2 of the burrito blanket. Has green on the inside. On the outside we have these sparkles. Let's see what's inside this rainbow one, shall we? Whoa, oh my gosh. And it looks like we have this cute, oh my gosh, those feet. We have this rainbow, I don't know, I have no idea what this is, but I'm pretty sure this is just who they are in the box. So we don't know who they are. Okay, so we got, oh my goodness. Okay, so we got 2 Bastitos. We got Crumbito. Birthday is November 26th. And then we have Vanellito. October 10th is his birthday. And it's a Pegasito and Catito. So cute. I love it. They are best buds. So now we're going to connect their burrito blankets to create a heart. And show the colors. And you could wrap them together. Oh my gosh, I remember seeing this so many years ago with my son Marcello, and we wrapped ourselves up in a gigantic blanket. Forgot where we were. I think it was TTPM, which happened to be in maybe 2018 when these launched. Pretty awesome. Really super cute. And now they're going to be added to our current collection. We actually have a few more of these. We have a couple of pigs, but I couldn't find the pigs. I wonder why. I have 2 pig-obsessed children in my house, so I'm sure they took them. So now we have 2 mini best friends. It looks like we're probably going to get a lion and a zebra. So let's see who we got. Popcorn and butter. Would you like the box unboxing or the bag? Let me know in the comments. Who is inside? I love the designs on these burritos. They're so awesome. We have, it looks like corn. It's so cool. And then, oh, it says pop. So we have like this comic book pop style font with, of course, the pop graphic. Pretty awesome. Let's open up pop first. Let's see what we got. Then we got this cute little zebra. I love the sparkles, and oh my gosh, so cool. They even have the print on the zebra's body. So awesome. Check out the popcorn version, or the butter version rather. And then we have a lion. He's buttery yellow. Look at that little heart nose. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And then the zebra is Cobito. Oh, like cob, corn on the cob. Birthday's June 11th. So we have Lionito and Zebrito. I love that. Oh, and we even have a hashtag, love your differences. So even the most obscure can get together and have true love. So, oh wait, they are true love. So we have a true love meter right here, blue. What was the other one? The Bastito Friends meter was green. Okay. So you would see that like on their butts. and then you can connect them and create a heart. This was such a cute unboxing. Guys, let me know what you think of them in the comments below. They're super duper cute, and they are going to be so nicely added to our current collection of Cutetitos. Which is your favorite? Are you into popcorn and butter or cake and frosting? I'm gonna have to say popcorn and butter, or butter and popcorn, because I love popcorn lately. I've eaten like a bag and I can't take it. I'm obsessed. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm also going to be hosting a big giveaway. If you want to see stuff like this added in, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much to Basic Fun for sending us these. Have a great day.